my kid's house, she had a new countertops put in at her kitchen. So I went over there the other day and disconnected everything for her so she could have the new counters put in. And I gotta go back and hook up the new sink and the new faucet. These fucking idiots got their ass hanging out in the middle of the fucking road, you blowbag. Some people are just stuck on stupid. I mean, if you're gonna pull in so your ass ain't hanging out in the middle of the highway here. Dumbass. Yeah, I gotta go back quite a bit. There's not a lot of room there, so. I'm not sure about that one. I'm gonna put a new trap in it anyway. That one's kind of like all dribbly. So this is gonna drop down quite a bit, so we'll probably cut this here, and then cut this over there somewhere. He's a stinker, mama. He's a stinker. Stinker. So I got that thing cut over there. I got the faucet in with the nuts. It's kind of really hard to see what the hell's going on, but it's just... There's like a scutching plate and a nut that goes on there. I got this long wrench that goes to tighten the nut up. Then on the bottom of the shaft there's a little plastic nut that you put on and let the hose go through it so it don't get all worn out. I'll try to climb in there and give you some shots, but I can show you on the other faucet that she's got. Oh, it's hooked up. She had to get another faucet because I guess she was missing the base plate. She had this on the other sink. I'll show you. And this is what it looks like up underneath. You slide that on there, this nut, and then this nut goes on there. And that protects the hose from sliding in and out. But she didn't have this gasket that goes in here, using it as a one-hole installation, so she had to get another faucet. Looks like it's the same one. Looks similar. Well, probably would have been fine without that gasket if she wanted. I told her she better with the gasket. Not the best basket strainer in the world, but this is what she wants, I guess. I should call and see if she wants this piece of shit in there. I guess. That's what come with it. Kind of weird. Nothing but the best for this neighborhood. Give it to you. How you doing, Mom? Leave it there for a gasket. this. I'm just gonna hook up the trap. Let's see if this is gonna work or not. Might not even be enough. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, look at that shit. Yeehaw, mama. Yes, sir. Yeehaw. The cleaner. This is the cleaner. It's clear. You can use clear cleaner in my state, which is fine. Which is clear is designed for the white pipe. It's not the purple shit. It's designed for the Schedule 80. They just do it so the inspectors want to see that you used it. I use it. It's legal. The clear stuff's legal in my state. It's a better looking job. That's really what belongs in there. By the plastic manufacturers, that's what they want you to use. That's what they design it for. Why use the other shit? Stupid. Sometimes you gotta go by the codes, right? You gotta follow these building codes or plumbing codes, whatever state you're from. You gotta follow the code. They want you to use a purple shit. I don't know, what can you say? Nothing. You just use it. And then this wants to go in. You can see one end sharper than the other. That end goes on that side. The sharp end goes on the back. It comes down, and then the quick is in the back. Anybody likes a quickie? Who likes a quickie? Fill it and dump it. There's no leaks, that's all I care about. I'm not a big fan of that basket strainer, but what are you going to say? That's what she wants. Alright, so I got an outside shower here that's off, and then it runs over, and it runs out. I'm going to cut it right here, and I'm going to replace the outside unit. And we'll cut it right here where I can solder. Here's the solder. And we'll just put a new piece on. We'll put another one on the outside. The outside, she's beat. So we'll put a new one out there. I might even put a couple of elbows and jump up so we could have some pitch to it. We'll see. Yeah, we'll put a couple of regular elbow and a street elbow maybe. You'll leak them out, you'll leak them. I got that solder, just stick it in there and we'll give it the old screw job and make the connection down below. gonna have a bleeder on it on the inside anyway, so shut it off here. We're gonna make our connection inside. We're ready to go. Bleed on the bottom here, right? If there's any water, it'll bleed out. We can solder it. We'll solder that right up. Yeah. Steam out of there, blow the solder right out. There's steam coming out. Oh, I got the bleeder in there. I can hear the press queens now. Holy mackerel, Linda. Be careful you don't cook it. I think get it a little hot out of my leg, but steam the water out of there. Had to steam the water out. That should be fine. We'll put the cap on it. Good deal. How you doing, Mom? I don't have water in it. That should be fine. Put the cap on it and we'll put the water to it, see what happens. If you ever use that Lucite gasket, you just put some Teflon in there and tighten it up and be fine. Make your own gasket out of Teflon. That's a little tech tip. That's a little tech tip, Mom.